Hello, B-Day. Welcome to Gatsby Section 2, Lesson 1. So where you want to start, make sure you are going to your calendar every day from the website and you are seeing what you need to do for that day. So today, we need to view the PowerPoint, we need to watch Chapter 1 video annotations, and we need to do a perception chart on Google Classroom. So if you come over here, September 8th through 11th, that's this week, and we will go down to Wednesday. The first thing you want to do is go through the PowerPoint, slides 30 through 38. So today we're going to talk about perception, and we're going to work on citing evidence while we read chapter 1. First thing, watch this quick video. I'm not sure if it'll play for you. If not, it's no big deal. But basically, it talks about some of the issues that divided America in the 20s and the younger generation differing from the older generation in the 20s. So you have to remember the older generation, they are keeping the same ideals and not so much participating in the roaring 20s, whereas the younger generation they're being very experimental at this time. And then they're also being more open-minded, the younger generation is. Now, after that, again, if you can't watch the video, it's no big deal. After that, there is a map here if you want to view it. It kind of tells you where East and West Egg is, the Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan, that's where they do the big city things and all that. So if you just want to take a look at that, and then you're going to watch the video found right here talking you through chapter 1. Remember to put sticky notes for annotation. So I'll be writing on the screen and you just put sticky notes where you feel you need an annotation. Now, after that, we're going to talk about Daisy and how she feels about her life. We'll actually talk about this tomorrow in class. So have an opinion. How does Daisy feel about her life based on what we've read in chapter 1? And then we're going to talk about Nick's perception of Daisy after she tells him about her life. Remember, this is Nick's cousin, but kind of a distant cousin. So we're going to talk about how he perceives Daisy. And remember, he swears he does not judge people. So we will see if that is accurate. Once you have finished chapter 1, there is a character perception chart found on Google Classroom. Now, keep in mind, there's no due date on this because we're going to add to it over time, so you will keep coming back to this same assignment. So to get to Google Classroom, you'll click right here, and the assignment is titled, same thing as on the website, Character Perception Chart. You will open the assignment. Again, there's no due date, so you're not turning this in today. And there's some examples. So you need to put the character they may perceive themselves or how they perceive another character. And then what they perceive themselves or another character as. So an example, Tom perceives himself as successful. And then there's a quote to support that. He says, "I've got a nice place here." Obviously, someone who is bragging about their home would think they're very successful. In your additional comments, it says Tom judges success by material possessions. So based on this, what is your judgment of Tom? Here's another one. Nick perceives Tom as aggressive. And there are some evidences found. Cruel body. He compelled me from the room as though he were moving a checker to another square. And then we say additional comments. Tom's large body and his way of dominating others makes Nick perceive him as aggressive. Your job today from chapter 1 is just to fill out 4 more of these. So you might want to fill one out the way Nick perceives Daisy, the way Daisy perceives herself, maybe the way Tom perceives Nick, maybe the way Daisy perceives Nick, maybe the way Jordan perceives some of these characters. So that is what you would want to focus on for 4 more sections of your chart today. We will talk about this tomorrow in class along with the discussion questions. Again, make sure you're doing your bell ringer. Reminder, they are found on the home page of the weekly lessons. So if you just click weekly lessons and scroll down, you can find your bell ringers there.